TAT ceiling fan 4. Labels in this one are also in decent shape. Not going to bother showing them because I've already done a video of this one before. Just showing it with the better blades. And I'm only going to do it on high. So, here we go. Because it's getting late and I'm getting tired. So there's another video of this fan already made with a bad blade selection. These blades are still a little out of clock, just so I'm going to tell them to fix them. This is technically the first one I received from Matt. And so I have the short down rod. He did that himself. I didn't do the down rod cutting. That's high speed on it. Again. This one doesn't seem quite as fast as the others. I'm going to do a quick spin down. Oh, with a long spin down. So I'm keeping fan number 1. Fan 2, 3, and 4 are up for grabs and up for sale. I think this one actually has heavier blades. I'm correct, I think the other ones are 875 grams, something like that. This one was like 880s. It's a little bit heavier, but still looks great fun. Excuse me. And there we go. Thanks for watching.